Opay is a prominent financial technology fintech company operating in Nigeria and some parts of the world. It was launched in 2018 as a subsidiary of Opera Software. Opay provides a wide range of digital financial service, in which includes of buying of data, sending and receiving money, subscribing to your favorite TV channels, and so on. So in this video, I will show you Opay features and its uses. So without any further ado, let's start.
Okay, so guys, let's locate to my Opay app. Where see it here. Let's open it. You put your password. So here on my Opay interface, the features that is here is this is available balance. This is place where you click, you see your available balance. This is your transaction history here. The transaction that you have been making since you have opened the app. This is notification that Opay is sending you. This is where it stays. To send someone money, if it is an Opay account user, you click here to Opay. You then type the number of the person that you want to send here now. After typing it, you see that you see the next prompt that will bring out to you. It's just so easy. If you want to send to another bank, you click here. If you want to withdraw, you click here. Here you can withdraw. You can withdraw with your Opay card, or you withdraw from Opay machent. Okay. Here again is where you buy airtime for your calls. You click here. The thing about Opay is that if you buy airtime, they will give you cash back. Like if you buy airtime worth of 2,000 naira, they will give you cash back of 14 naira as your bonus. That means you will buy that this is your bonus of recharging a airtime worth of 2,000 naira. Let's go to data. It's also the same thing like data. That's why I like Opay. If you buy data worth of 1.2 gig a month, in 30 days a month, they will give you cash back of 30 naira. Let's go to monthly. If you are a data user like Yeni, now let's go to Yeni, like 1 terabyte. And if you buy data of 1 terabyte, which is 100,000 naira, they will give you cash back of 3,000 naira. This is for AV data users. So this place is for betting. It's for those people that is gambling, want to use it to fund your account. If it is Bet Nigeria, Bet King, Sporty Bet, iLotBet, anyone that you are using. Apart from it, let's go to TV. This is place where you can subscribe to your favorite TV provider like GoTV, DSTV, StarTime, and so on. You select the one you want. Like now that I'm using GoTV, I'm using to subscribe to my GoTV. So now you select the smart card number here and put your payment method. Now here is Wealth. Wealth is a place where you save money. If you subscribe to Wealth, that means you'll be saving money daily, and they will give you some interest. See available balance and plus your daily interest. Apart from Wealth, this is a loan. You know that Opay is affiliated with Ease Money. So see Opay and Ease Money. So that means if you want to borrow a loan worth of 1 million naira, that means Opay being affiliated with Ease Money, it's so easy. You just apply now here, and it will take you to Ease Money interface where you can borrow money. I don't want to borrow money now. This is play for a child. This place play for a child. If you click it, it will take you to a place that if you play the do and win stars, and these stars will convert it to money and donate to children. If you buy airtime, there's a star they will give you, and if you subscribe to any TV, or if you play video or donate, you can donate 1 star, convert 50 stars to 1 heart and donate. This is place, anything you do and you get star, Opay will donate money to, and they will convert the star to money and donate to children on your behalf. Apart from this place, this is more. This place, they write more icon. If you click it, it's a place where you can do some numerous things with Opay. You can use it to pay travel or hotel. You can use it to pay electricity bill, waste bill, school and exam. You can use it to buy internet service, financial service, invoice payment, or use it for embassy, or for government payment. If you want to put travel and hotel, let's click it. Here you can use it to pay many flights like APs, Aero, Book, On Hood, or Junior Travel. It's just numerous things you can use it to pay. Okay, let's go to reward page. This place I'm showing you now. Um, here, this place you can use it to get reward every day. You can see daily bonus, grow airtime, buy airtime and get up to 6% cashback. 9 mobile MTN, but buy airtime and get up to 3% cashback. Like daily bonus here now. This is place where Opay will giving you daily bonus. That if I click get now, today being Friday now, today if I click, this is daily bonus of 3 naira they are giving me. So sometimes they will increase it, sometimes they will decrease it. Like yesterday, I gave a daily bonus of 3 naira. If I click get now here, you see, congratulations, you have earned 3 naira. You get 100 naira on the 5th day. You see that if I get 3 naira on 5th day, I'll get a voucher of 100 naira. So this is a place as we are in the reward page. This is a place where you can invite your friends and earn cash up to 4,200 naira cash. Finance. This is a place where and this finance page is a place where you can save money, and Opay will be paying you for paying you your interest of the money you are saving. If you save daily and weekly and monthly, yeah, you can put in a fixed deposit. You can save money fees. You will not touch it, so it is also amount of time. And let's go to card page. This card page. This is a place where you can get an Opay card. It's just a smooth way, as in it's a smooth way you can get an Opay card. Like, let's go to this me here. This place you can get your transaction history, your account limit. Your account limit that as you say you are first time Opay, you will be in Taiwan, and if you upgrade, you will be in type 2. If you upgrade more, you'll be in type 3. That all these levels get their features, that unlimited feature that you can be open. Like Taiwan, you can do a daily transaction limit of 50,000 naira, and maximum account balance. The account money that will be in your account balance will be 300,000 naira. If you are in type 3, you will get daily transaction limit of 5 million naira, and maximum account balance, the amount that will be in your account balance will be unlimited. Likewise, a machent account. Apart from it, this is also a bank card account. Here also you can click here to get your account number. This pay me, this is your pay ID, generate unique code for online transaction. This is your security center. If there's something that is going on your Opay account, you can you don't know, or you do not understand, or you suspect that it's a fraud, you can click here to get to their call center. You can click here to freeze your account, or report a scam, or report numerous transfer that you do not understand. This is a customer service. This is a customer service center. Apart from it, up here is Opay USSD. It's true that if you don't have internet connection on your mobile phone, you can use their USSD and do transaction. Here you can refer your friends. Click here to refer your friends. We have talked about. You see that if you click here and you see, refer one friend to get 800, and refer 2 friends to get 2,004, refer 3 friends to get 4,002. It's now ready for you. You can refer as much as people you want. Your family member, your church member, your school mates, your sports mates. Yeah, you start using Opay through your referral link, you'll be getting a whole lot of money. You can share your invitation link here.
So guys, this is the end of this video. If you are still confused in a certain way, just write it down in the comment section below. Then I will see it and answer it. So if you want to open an Opay, there's a link in the description video. There I will leave a link where you can use to create Opay account. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel as it will go viral and reach those that are seeking this knowledge. Thanks, and God bless you. Peace.